guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how I made super easy spicy blender salsa. I was given a bunch of ingredients for free and so I didn't want them to go to waste, so this is what we made. Let me show you how. The first thing I did was peel a couple of white onions. I had Vidalia onions and then these two white onions, and I just used whatever I had. I don't think it would really matter if you had red onions or anything like that. So I threw 2 onions, kind of roughly chopped, into my VitaMix blender. Then I washed and de-stemmed my jalapenos and shoved, just a few big chunks in there along with some cherry tomatoes. The VitaMix is my favorite kitchen gadget because it just does a phenomenal job. So once it liquefied a little more, I just added more tomatoes. And my plan was to strain this out to not have it, super watery, but since I didn't use larger tomatoes, I really didn't have any excess liquid. So the strainer here was pointless, which you'll see here kind of at the end. So I just kept chopping onions, jalapenos, and tomatoes, and I threw them in the blender, and I just kept going until I had used up all of the onions that I had. I ended up not using all the jalapenos, I thought it was going to be too spicy, and I'll put the recipe down here below with measurements of everything that I put. And so this was so fast. It took me a matter of minutes to get this blended together, and I felt so good using all of these. Here is a huge bag of cilantro I had, and I end up using all of this cilantro, which is why my salsa looks so dark green. So I shoved a bunch of tomatoes and a bunch of cilantro in that VitaMix blender, and it had no trouble blending it all up and making it delicious. Now, all of these scraps that I'm cutting off, I do put in my little compost. I try not to waste anything, so they will go in my compost. Here I added lime juice and just mixed until it was gone. Look how green that is. It was awesome. Then I added a bunch of cumin and mixed it all nice together. This is when it really starts to get that green color. And I taste tested this kind of as I was going, and it really needed some garlic, so I added minced garlic and some lemon juice. I was out of lime, so I just used more lemon because it just needed something more. I realized it was salt. It needed salt, so I added salt and pepper, mixed it, tried it, and it was so good. So then I just dumped it in these half-gallon ball jars that I have, and then my mom came over and wanted some, so I made up a couple of smaller jars for her to take home. And I love sharing whatever I make, so I made sure she went home with some delicious spicy salsa because she loves spicy just like I do. I'm not gonna can these are just going in the refrigerator, and I just had some excess left over, so I ate it for a snack during the week. And there you have it. This was so easy and it is so delicious. Now, you can absolutely tweak this recipe if you don't like it quite as spicy or if you want it more spicy. It's pretty adaptable, so I hope you guys give this a try. If you like it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.